mean of combined distribution. Now what basically it is? Let's go with the definition first. Now mean of combined distribution is the weighted mean of the means of the components mean of combined distribution is the weighted mean of the means of the components the weight being the total frequency in the components. In the very simple language, we have to combine the two means. Okay. Now it is given by x mean is equal to n1 x1 dash plus n2 x2 dash. Basically what x1 dash it is? It means mean of x1, mean of x2, okay, divided by n1 plus n2. This is the formula for it. Is it clear? Now here is the mean of combined distribution. Now symbol is same, okay, it is the symbol for a mean, for an average, but now when this type of question is there, then we are using this symbol as a mean of the combined distribution. X1 mean and x2 mean are the means of component distribution and n1 and n2. N1 and N2 are the total frequencies of the combined distribution. So this is what basically the formula by which we are going to solve some questions. So we are having mean of the combined distribution is given by this form.